Hey guys, what's up? Just me here. Today, as you saw by today's title, I'm going to be showing you how to create YouTube channel art. Like this one right here. You don't need Photoshop, you don't need anything fancy. It's going to be free. I'm going to show you that today. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we get started, it's good to know that you should have a desktop, something like a Windows PC or PC in general. Maybe you use Linux, Mac or a Chromebook, anything that has a keyboard or something. Okay, now let's actually start. So first, what you want to do is you want to open Chrome. And you want to type in Photopea. And then once that's finished loading, you want to make a new project. It's just like Photoshop, and it's pretty easy to use, to be honest. If you used Photoshop before, it's pretty easy. It's basically Photoshop. You want to press New Project, and then you want to go to YouTube cover, which will be our banner, and then you want to switch this from white to transparent. That's very important, white to transparent, because that'll be your background. You press create, and then once it's done all the loading, you'll see a new project screen. Okay, so let's just give it a second. Okay, here it is, our new project. By the way, you don't want to open too many things when you're using Photopea, because then it could get a bit too much. But depending on your processor and all that, you should be fine. Okay, now you have this new project. And then what you want to do is that you want to open File Explorer, and you want to put a certain picture in. This is the template we are going to be using today. You want to drag it like this. You want to find it, select it, and then drag it over here. You want to copy it. By the way, the link is in the description to get this picture. Once it's there, just press enter, and now you have it. Okay, now, so that this won't be here the whole time, we want to go to View and then Rulers. The shortcut is Control R. Go to View and then Rulers, and then you want to drag it just like that. You go from the ruler and then just drag. This certain section is very important, because this is where, no matter what device you're on, you are going to see. So you want to keep everything in just this black area. You want to keep everything there, and then once you've done that, you can just select it and then press delete on your device. Okay, now time for the next section. That was the preparing section. Now we're going to the composition section, where you're going to add all your photos and start creating ideas. Okay, now we're in the composition section. Okay, so personally for me, I need to have ideas. I need to have something to go off of to make something like this. I have to look at others that have done well and to go look at them, get some ideas, which I've already done. You should go and do, or if you already have a vision of what you want it to look like, then go do that. Okay, I have Photopea still open. And by the way, you would want to save as a PSD. If you're going somewhere or something, save it as a PSD, and then later you can go to files, and wherever you saved it, just first go to Photopea and then press open, and then you'll just press that. Open from computer and then just press that. And then now you can be saving it. Alright, so now I'm going to search up something. So I want it to kind of have my logo integrated in it, and have my name in it and all that. So I'm gonna search up like blue, just like a blue, and I would want it about the size of this frame. So I'm just gonna say around like 1440p. Okay. Blue, 1440p. Okay, this one's not bad. Now this is a bit too much, but actually I might save this one for later. But this one's not bad. So what we're gonna do is save image as, and then it's gonna bring up File Explorer, and then you can save it wherever you want. I'm gonna save it my photos, and then just save it right there. Okay, image is now saved. Now what we're gonna do is open File Explorer, go to where we saved it, photos, and then as we did before, we're going to drag it and copy it there. See how it's now there? First of all, we want to make this invisible. Okay, now we have it like that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is press this check mark up here to say that that's where we want it. And now what I want to do is I want to get my logo. The logo I made. Just to find it. Oh yeah. Okay, here it is. Now this is a PNG image. You can do whatever you want, but this one I made a PNG image of my logo. Remember, everything should stay in between these rulers. Okay, I want mine somewhat in the middle, like right there. Okay, that's good. We now have the like composition. We're making progress. Okay, now what I want to do, since this is mine, I'm just gonna add a text layer. And yeah, you're not gonna see any box. You're gonna see actually that little box right there. This box right here. And then you just wanna type a bit to make sure that you don't lose it. And then you see how it's really tiny. Might not be tiny for you guys at first. You wanna make it like 200 so that it's visible. And then you can shrink it later. Oh yeah, and it's also good to have auto select on so that when you're doing stuff, it auto selects it. Okay, and I want to change the color to white. By the way, I'm not doing like a full tutorial on how to use like Photopea. This is just just showing you guys the basics and stuff like that. Okay, do that. Also want to change the font. Photopea has many fonts, so let me just change that. There was this one I used the other time. Yeah, this is good. I like this one. I want to put it, for me, I would just want to put it right there, and then we can shrink it, because obviously it's like right by the edge. So I'm gonna make that like 180. Not bad, not bad. Okay, not bad. Now I want to add another text. By the way, I'm just showing you guys the process of what I'm doing. This is not what you have to do, obviously. But yeah, I want to make it a bit farther, like that. I want to have them a bit aligned. Sometimes auto select might not always work, and actually I want it like this, lined up like that. And this is honestly just a simple like a channel art. Some people can do more complicated things. You can do even more simpler than this. You can really just have a blue background, like the example I showed you guys before where it was just blue. You can literally just have that. Now, for me, this might actually be a cool background to use. Might use this actually. I might change my mind and use that. But now I want to search up sunglasses. PNG. PNG just means like it's a transparent image. When you see these squares before you click the image, right off the bat you know it's not a PNG. It's a fake PNG, you could call it. But when you click it and then it's white, but then it turns to this checkered, then you know it's real. Let's see if this actually works. Yeah, you have to save it. Save image. Just wait for that to boot up. Close this. Just save that there. Oh, it's not secure. Oh, that's a problem. Well, you can always look for other ones. You know what? This one's not bad. Oh, female. Yeah, no, sorry. Yeah, something like this. Something like this. Yeah, there we go. It's PNG. And then we want to save that. Remember to always save your photos. And this one hasn't saved, so just want to press discard on that. Open File Explorer again. Go to where you saved it, pictures, my photos. Then I just want to drag it like that. I don't know. I thought this would be looking a lot cooler. Not gonna lie. You know what? Cut the sunglasses out. They can be used for a different thing. So now basically I am done my channel art. Remember, always keep it between these ones, and this is your width, height and width of it. So you want to keep it in between those. Now I might actually change the background. Now this is just finalizing. I'm just finalizing a few stuff. Save. Then we go back to File Explorer, go back to Photo P, and then drag it there. And then we'll see how it looks. Just use text. Yeah, so if you guys do want a tutorial on Photo P, we might be doing that. I might actually be doing that. Tell me in the comments. Subscribe so that you don't miss that. If you are interested in like editing photos and all that, this is a great alternative to Photoshop because it's absolutely free and it's web-based. If you do want to install it on your PC or anything, just go to the download button at the top of your search bar and then press install. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. Not too bad. Yeah, so this is how it's looking right now. Looking pretty nice, not gonna lie. This does look a bit plain, so I think I might keep this like galaxy look. Remember to delete an item, just select it, and then press delete. Okay. Ooh, this also looks nice. I'm finding a lot of nice images, but for the sake of this video, oh no, that's 1920. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep this one. Now, once you are absolutely finished this, you want to press export. Oh, first of all, actually, you do want to save. And then once you press save changes at the top. And then what you want to do is press export as, and then JPG, which is a JPEG image. Once you press that, a pop-up is gonna come out. And then once you press that, this is the quality of how it's going to appear. It can go all the way down to 0%, which will be terrible quality. But then the lower the quality, the more space you'll have. I would advise around 60% or over, or maybe even 70% to what Photopea advised. But for me, I'm going all out. It's gonna be, you know what, 100%. 1.6 megabytes, not too bad. Actually, just to lower that a bit. Let's just make it 90. So that it is under a megabyte. And then we're gonna press save. And then our download has started, and there it is. It is saved to our computer. Now, just because it's me, I want to save this in a different spot to Photopea. Okay, close this. And then once you have saved this project, again, after you've exported it, you can now close it. If it gives you a pop-up when you try to close it, then that means you have not saved it properly. Now, you want to head over to YouTube Studio. YouTube.studio. Oh, YouTube. So I'm just going to put it like that. YouTube.com. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Studio.youtube.com. There we go. Okay, and once you've done that, you just wait for it to load. And once it is loaded, we are going to scroll down. It's going to be on the left side of it. We're going to scroll down and go to customization. And then we're going to go to branding. And then if you've already put one there, you want to press change. And then, or if you want to remove it completely, just press remove. But for this one, we're going to press change. And then we're going to go to wherever we saved it. In this case, it's my photos. Then I'm going to select channel art. And there it is. Look, it's just like the template we had at the beginning of the video. This is what's viewable on TV, desktop, and on devices. That's why it was very important to keep it in that width and length, because if it wasn't, that would mess it up a lot. So then we're just gonna press done, and then you can see it's changed here. We're gonna press publish, and it shows you the 3 previews there. Okay, once it's done publishing, a pop-up is gonna come up down here. We're gonna press go to channel. And once it's done loading, look at that. There is our new channel art. That's all you had to do. It's a pretty easy way. Okay, let's go to the outro. Yes, everyone, that is really all you have to do to make channel art. It's really as easy as putting the template in, putting the rulers, and really you can just put a random picture there and you have channel art. You can make it even more simpler than mine was. It's as easy as that. That's all we have for today. Today was kind of a long video, but oh well, the job was done. And I hope you like this video. Share it with people. They could actually find this helpful if you're starting a YouTube channel and you really don't know what to do. Send this to people. And yeah, that's all we have for today. Like, subscribe. See you later.